Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm gonna do a portfolio update where I'm just gonna go in, buy the stocks that I want, and increase my position in these companies and increase my shares in these stocks. So ignore the $600. I have $300 deposited and incoming, so I'm gonna have $300 to spend on these stocks this week. So the first stock I'm probably gonna buy is Unity Software Inc. If you watch my last video of Unity, you'll know they're a platform company, and they allow you to build games on their platform slash engine. So I think this stock could be a $1,000 to $2,000 stock, just like Shopify was like a couple years ago. So it's a huge opportunity for me. So I think I'm gonna buy. Let me see. Hmm. Um. Yeah, I'm gonna buy around just 1 to 2 shares. I'm gonna build up my position over the weeks. So I'm not even worried about that. So the next stock I think I'm gonna buy is around real estate companies. So if you know me, I was building up my real estate stocks share position over the long term. So I'm just gonna buy into these real estate stocks that are low right now, and once they rebound from this whole situation over the next what's called 5 to 10 years, I'm gonna be making a lot of money just from those real estate stocks. So a couple of the real estate companies that I bought already is IVR and what's it called Two Harvard and MFA. Also Hallmaker, which is like my investment stock. So if I go down, you'll see IVR. I usually just buy that, and I also bought Two Harvard, and MFA, and also Hallmark as my growth stock for real estate. So we're just gonna go in, and we're gonna buy a Zynga first. If you watch my other video uh, about Zynga, it's a really good company. It's a gaming company. It's a app developer company, which develops apps, and they have like very good revenues. They had like a 40%, 47% increase in revenue from last year over year, in 2020 during this whole situation, which is crazy. And they also coming out with new games, the Harry Potter games. They had a big game, a big racing game. It was like CS7, something like that. And I think they have very high potential over the long run. So we're just gonna go in Zengaya, and I think we're gonna just purchase. Let me see. I think just 10 to I think 7, which I'm not really worried about since I'm just gonna build it over the long term, and then I'm gonna obviously buy Investscope company. So I'm just gonna put the rest of the money into Investscope company. So I'm just gonna slide this over and confirm. I hate when it does that. I don't know why it does that. Sometimes sometimes it does that. So I just have to cancel it and then just retry it. That's why it does. I don't know what's up with webull sometimes, but it does that. So I'm just gonna buy 28 shares. And let me see. Yeah, once those orders get fulfilled, I'll have them in my portfolio. And my market value is like 2,500 in this stock. I think over the by the end of this year is going to be around $8,000 to $10,000 in this account, and I think I have like $2,000 in my other Robinhood account. which I think I have to build that one up too, which is going to take a while. So that's my plan, and that's my portfolio update for this week.